Alright guys, get ready
GRWM
with me
and
to
clean.
come and clean my room. Stanky bro. Okay. So right now I'm just showing you like what my room looked like before. And I've just really just been, I ain't been in the mood. I just been sleeping. Eating and sleeping. But of course I got to get the TV on. If y'all know what I'm finna do, then period. If y'all don't, y'all finna see. So I don't know what I was doing. I kept scrolling past it like 20 times. 20 times. Like, oh, let me go back. And there it is. You need the music. Indeed. Sorry if my voice like this. I kind of like literally just woke up. But it had to update. So, of course, I went ahead and updated it. Of course, she don't want to go right when you're recording. But it's cool. It's fine. It's a little quick update. Bloop. It launched itself. Shout out to the smart TVs out there. So right now I got the playlist. I actually listen to my feelings playlist because if I listen to something like I'm gonna get sidetracked, baby, and I'm gonna just have a whole different concert. But this one I can kind of sing and still move around, if you get what I'm saying. So dresser is cleaned off. The dresser is broke. I'm honestly getting rid of it. That's why my clothes are in tubs. Snack corner, bed made. Here, dresser clean. I know, y'all. I know how to clean the floor. In that corner is little bags I'm taking to Goodwill. I burnt my damn thing, my hot comb. And then right now I'm in a shower. I had to fast forward a lot of this. This shower literally took like, the recording was 10 minutes. But I wash my face with the Dow soap. I usually use like the antibacterial Dow, or I use the Ivory. I try to make it look all cute for y'all, but none of it was working for me, honestly. But that's me drying my actual towel out. I'm using a Dove for my body. I said Dove, that's Dow. And I have like a different, it's like a hand rag. I don't use the same thing for like my cooter cat. So I got a cooter cat towel, and I got a body towel, and then I got my hands for my face. Damn it, I ain't got nothing else. That's it. That's all. So right now I'm just washing up. You know, this Dow don't get that soapy, which I didn't really like it for real. But I just like the smell of it, and it just calms your nerves, you know. So I thought I did a little trick and stuff. I was like, okay, look at me. You know what I'm saying? I can fill it up. I can fill this little pocket shit up. Squeeze it, look at the water. Y'all like that? Yeah. I know y'all like that. Very. So right now I'm just still cleaning. I just wash up 2 times. I wash my cooter cat 2 times, wash my body 2 times, and I'm out. I'm not like everybody else. I don't do the scrubs and all that extra shit. I just don't. And for some reason, I like brushing my teeth in the shower too. I just like doing everything in the fucking shower. You got a problem? Oh, okay. It's my little setup for me to go ahead and edit stuff. And yeah. And of course, I can't edit without eating. Peace.